Our consideration of buying this machine is the profitability of the machine, durability and price, the trademark and the brand name, and the availability of parts and services. We considered other machine, but we choose Ubix because of convincing power of the salespeople. They explained to us everything from buying the machine up to what we can get from it. My experience in buying this product, Konica Minolta machine, is the after sales. They provide us information and ready to help staff. They assist not only for the maintenance of the machine, but also for prospective client and 24/7 services. The specific feature that I like most is the color management and easy to use the Konica Minolta machine. Other benefits which I get to this product is a variety of printing, not only for photo books, which is our main product, but also other printing services such as brochure, books, and other printing needs. Yes, I highly recommend this product because of the high return of investment and the after-sales services.